session on SAP navigation and how we are going to configure SAP logon through SAP GUI. So let me take you to the SAP environment. This is a typical SAP logon patch. So once you're done with the SAP installation, you will be going to install SAP GUI, which is your presentation. Once you install SAP GUI, you will be able to see this icon, which is SAP logon. So once you double click on this SAP logon, you won't see anything because you need to configure the SAP logon patch. So here you will going to see how you are going to create the SAP logon. Once you click on the new icon, now you are going to specify a system, which system you want to configure. This is, if you see here, this is a description. Description is nothing but meaningful description, like what exactly the system about. Is it development system or is it quality or production? So let us say this is development system, okay? So an application server is nothing but your IP address. While doing the installation, you have to give the host name or IP address, which you have to enter here in application server row. So I have given 192.168.10.10 during my installation. Now instance number is nothing but 2 digit, which starts from 00 and up to 99. So this is the instance number which I have given during the installation, and the system ID is nothing but system identification, and this contains only 3 characters. Okay, so I have given you my system ID as NSP. So once you give us this information, you have to say next. This you no need to do anything here, and then just proceed the next. And here you have to select the language English and say. So now you see one system has been configured. Similarly, in a company, you will finding more system, not only one. You can find n number of systems, like 10. Some companies will have 10 systems, more than that. So each system will be configured in the SAP logon path. Now, once you double click on this development system, you are entering into SAP main screen. Now, here you will be given a client and your credentials by your system administrator before you log into the SAP. So when, for example, you are logging into the client 000, but in real time you are not going to log on to the 000, and nobody will allow you to create your user credentials in 000 client, but the client will be different. Okay, it could be 300, 400, I mean, like it will not be 000, 001, or 066. These are the default clients you will see once you install the SAP. Here I am just showing the example. So I have created one user like basis, and the password is given by my system administrator. So once you enter with your credentials, initially it will ask a password. So see, basically when you enter first time, it will ask to change a new password. So if you didn't ask a new password change, you should immediately reply to the manager saying that we haven't got a new password icon. So see, this is very important as per in real time, because uh, if you didn't get this pop-up, that means somebody has already logged into this with your credentials. So let us give a new password. Now I have entered into the SAP, and some few points I want to tell regarding the password. A password must consist of at least 3 characters. Most companies go with between 5 and 8 characters at minimum. However, and the first character cannot be exclamatory or question mark or another special character. Okay, and we remember that the first 3 characters must be unique. Okay, and first 3 characters should not be contained in the username, which is very, very important. Okay, so these are some few points which I want to discuss regarding the password. Now, as you seen here in this SAP screen menu, these are the icons. Like, this is the space which given to you to enter the transaction code, I mean a command field, where you will enter the transaction code which are using in your daily life. This is a enter button, and this is basically a back button. This is a log off exit button, and this is find button. This is find next button, and these are other icons like first page. You can see if you click this is previous page. Like once you open the session, these are the buttons to be used. If you want to go to first page, it will take you the first session. It will take you the previous page. So likewise, this will take you to the next page. This icon basically to create a new session. I mean, like, for example, say you are in SM28 transaction, right? Now you are doing some work here. I mean, like, you want to go to another session. Instead of closing the session, you can open by clicking this, and it will open another session. So I'm in second session, so it will show how many sessions you are opening. If you are opening another session, it will show to you. So it by default maximum sessions, it depends on the parameters which have been set in the profile parameters, which you are going to learn in my further sessions, how to set this parameters. So this is how you configure SAP logon pad and configure the SAP system in the logon pad, and these are just overview of SAP navigation. Hope you understood this session, and in the further session we're going to see more about how to create the users and what is instance, which is very, very important, and also the concept of instance, and you're also going to learn about the work processes and about the class administration and other topics. Thank you so much for attending my session.